Hey everyone, welcome back to Penguin Profits. Artificial intelligence is transforming businesses of all sizes and across all industries. From startups to large enterprises, companies are leveraging the power of AI to automate processes, gain insights, and provide better customer experiences. In today's video, I'll be sharing the top 9 AI tools that can help automate your business instantly. These tools utilize cutting-edge AI capabilities like machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and more to take your business operations to the next level. So, whether you're looking to create summaries, get feedback on your startup idea, generate logos, build websites, enhance your copywriting, or create stunning product images, these 9 AI tools have got you covered. Stay tuned to learn how each of these tools can help revolutionize your business. First up, we have summarizingtool.io. As the name suggests, this nifty tool can summarize long pieces of text for you in seconds. We all know how time-consuming and boring it can be to go through pages and pages of content. Summarizing Tool leverages state-of-the-art NLP to instantly create concise summaries while retaining the most vital information. All you need to do is copy-paste the text you want summarized, and this AI-powered summarizer will get to work immediately. You can also tweak parameters like the length of the summary as per your needs. This is extremely useful for understanding the essence of research papers, news articles, reports, legal documents, and more in no time. For content-heavy websites, Summarizing Tool can help create snappier web copy that captures attention. Since 90% of SEO depends on quality content, this tool can really help boost your website's search rankings by improving content. Overall, Summarizing Tool can save hours of manual reading and summarizing work, helping your business utilize time and resources more efficiently. Next up, we have ValidatorAI, which provides startups with unbiased expert feedback on their business ideas. As entrepreneurs, getting objective assessments of our ideas from seasoned professionals can be invaluable. With ValidatorAI, you simply submit your startup idea, and the AI system analyzes it from different aspects to identify potential issues and provide constructive feedback on how to improve the concept. The great thing is, you get an outsider's perspective minus any personal bias that friends and family may unconsciously have towards your idea. ValidatorAI points out flaws in a straightforward manner so you can refine your idea before launch. You also gain access to an ebook, videos, mentors, and a private community to help bring your idea to life. For just $5 per month, ValidatorAI can help validate and enhance your big business idea in the most cost-effective way possible. Naming your business is crucial, yet challenging. You want a name that encapsulates your brand vision and resonates with your audience. Naming Magic makes it easy. This free AI tool generates creative, meaningful name suggestions based on your core product or service. Simply enter a short description, and Naming Magic will instantly provide catchy, relevant options. It also checks domain availability in real time, so you can quickly identify the perfect name and secure the matching domain right away. With Naming Magic, you can find that ideal brand name and domain in minutes rather than days. Establishing your online presence and promoting your brand becomes much easier when you have the perfect name from the start. Moving on to number 4, we have LogoAI. A logo is vital for creating brand awareness and visibility, but designing a logo from scratch requires graphic design skills and can get expensive. LogoAI lets anyone create stunning, customized logos in under a minute using AI. All you need to do is enter your company name, industry, slogan, and design preferences. LogoAI makes creating a custom, high-quality logo easy and affordable. Simply enter your business name, industry, slogan, and design preferences into LogoAI's AI-powered platform. LogoAI's advanced algorithm instantly generates multiple logo options that align with your provided details and specifications. You can then refine and customize these logos further to perfection. Once you've selected your favorite logo design, you can download the files for just $29. With LogoAI, businesses of any size can now access professional logo design capabilities at a fraction of the typical cost. Having a recognizable and on-brand logo can go a long way in effectively marketing your business. The next AI tool that can instantly automate your business is 10Web. This all-in-one WordPress management platform makes it easy to build, host, manage, and optimize WordPress sites without any technical skills needed. Key features include one-click setup, built-in security, automated backups, AI business tools, and more. With 10Web handling all the technical details, you're free to focus solely on content creation and business growth. For WordPress users, it's a powerful way to automate web management so you can scale your online presence faster. Moving on, up next, we have ValidatorAI. One of the biggest pain points for businesses, small and big, is copywriting. Producing high-quality copies for websites, ads, emails, social posts, etc. requires skill. Hiring a dedicated copywriter is costly and not always feasible. ValidatorAI offers a smart solution with its AI-powered copywriting for a fraction of the cost. Whatever your copy needs, product descriptions, newsletters, web pages, ad copies, or more, ValidatorAI can create industry-standard copy that captures attention and converts. Leading brands like Forbes, Meta, and GoDaddy already use Craftly for all their copy needs. With packages starting at $29 per month, ValidatorAI is the affordable copywriting secret weapon for your business. Up next, we have LogoAI. In e-commerce, product photos make or break your sales, but hiring product photographers and editing images is expensive. LogoAI lets you create eye-catching product photos by intelligently adding relevant backgrounds behind your existing product pictures. The AI-generated backgrounds enhance the visual appeal of products drastically, making them stand out and grab customer attention. You can get 20 AI-enhanced photos free to test it out. For unlimited photos, monthly and yearly paid plans start at $6 per month. Overall, LogoAI can be a game-changer for e-commerce businesses looking to drive higher sales through striking product imagery. The next automation tool to mention is SurferAI, a powerful AI assistant that can instantly improve your SEO and content marketing. SurferAI analyzes top-ranking web pages and provides tailored recommendations to optimize your own content for higher search rankings. It can automatically generate SEO-optimized content outlines and articles, taking care of the research, writing, and optimization. For any business relying on organic traffic, SurferAI is an invaluable tool to automate optimized content creation at scale. The time savings allow you to focus your efforts on high-level strategy, while SurferAI handles the tactical SEO execution. The final AI automation tool to mention is Fastbots.ai, a no-code chatbot builder that allows anyone to create intelligent chatbots for their business in minutes. Fastbots leverages AI to automate conversations for tasks like customer service, sales, and internal workflows. The drag-and-drop interface means no technical skills are required. Once built, Fastbots chatbots can communicate with customers and employees 24/7, providing instant responses and guiding users through complex processes. This enables businesses to scale their operations exponentially while lowering costs. For any company looking to implement conversational AI, Fastbots.ai is the fastest way to automate business workflows through natural language chatbots. So those were the top 9 AI tools that can help you gain an instant competitive edge. From summarizers to logo creators, copywriters to web builders, these AI-powered platforms automate tedious and complex tasks to boost productivity. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, you can accelerate growth, reduce costs, and deliver next-level customer experiences. While AI adoption comes with its own risks, the long-term benefits outweigh the challenges for most businesses. I hope you found this overview of the top 9 automation-focused AI tools useful. Let me know in the comments if you end up trying any of these out and what your experience was like. Don't forget to subscribe to Penguin Profits.